a lot of this stuff, you guys, we have to follow the rules, right? So we don't want our stop so squeaky clean tight right here that it goes, I'm out, and then, oh, no, right? We don't want none of that. If you're in small enough position size, you can handle a little bit of buffer in here, right? This isn't like, oh no, $1 million, $1 million, $1 million. No, it's not. So you shouldn't be all brutally like, whoa, no, now look at it, did it again. You see what it did right there? Didn't we just discuss it? There was a buy, 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 buy. You see how every one of these is working out? Sell, right?
Yes,
Stop.
sir.
And then down here again, stop, right? Because we got to have some sort of mental stop. There's got to be something down here that tells us, hey, if it starts looking like this, I don't want none of this, right? Just none of it. Until this makes a new channel or drives a new home, we can just keep trading in this channel. Now, going back to the market, if this was regular market hours, okay, and it was here, here, here. So not only could we do shares, as you guys may or may not know, this would be calls. Okay, calls meaning going up. So here's your call. Sell it. Why? Because it touched the channel. Or you can wait for the slight pullback, of course, right? That's what I would do. Because what if this is the one time it decided to run, right? I still want to be in it. So on the pullback, boom, sell. And then on the downside, instead of shorting it, we will buy puts. So up on the top here, this is puts. So right here. Now you guys know I've been stressing the hell out of this, and you guys saw me make a mistake yesterday. It didn't cost me, but this is the stuff you've got to be careful of. So let's say this is our channel, okay? This is what it's been doing. Support's always on the bottom, resistance is always on the top. The things you got to be careful of, and this is FOMO, is people will buy puts here. You guys hear me all the time. You don't buy puts on support. Okay. You just don't do it. So if you hear me ever say double bottom, that means it came up at some point and then it came back down another point. That's a double bottom, right?